Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will start on putting back together gearbox from a mk2 Golf GTI. If you didn't see it, I had a spare one that I took apart. Link is in the description if you like to see that. I will use those parts to rebuild gearbox from the Golf that I am working on right now. And I am sick. Now I need to disassemble the gearbox, so I leave you with clips with the kittens, and when I get back to you, you will see the transmission in pieces. Okay, for the gearbox we need new bearings, new seals and new gaskets. First, I will remove the bearings from the output shaft and the differential. Now it's time to remove the races and the bearings that remain in the casing. Time to put new bearings and races in the casing, and just because I forgot about one bearing on the output shaft, I have to take it off as well before I put the new bearing on it. Now I'm checking if the differential bearings have proper clearance with the shims I installed under the races. Sorry guys, but the battery on my camera died and I didn't notice that, and I was working on the gearbox. And after I realized that I am not recording the work, I stopped it, and the recording you are seeing is from the point I had a recharged battery. And just to end the video nice, I would like to show you the pictures of the finished gearbox. If you stayed with me till the end, you can show if you liked it or not. And if you liked it, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.